Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Dooley. I'm a graphic designer and a self-taught calligrapher. And today we're combining artistic skill with a meaningful message. I'll be showing you how to add flourishes to your calligraphy using the quote, "Hate is a virus." This is a powerful statement, and the flourishes will serve as a way to contrast the harshness of the words with the beauty of the art. And with all that said, let's go ahead and get started. So here is the base of the lettering I've been working on. It's simple now, but we're going to bring it to life with some flourishes. And I'm already seeing something with this one that I have to fix, because the V is looking like an E, like the connection with the V and the I. I had it in my head that I could make that work. Let me focus the camera. Yeah, and it didn't work out. It's simple now, but we're going to bring it to life with some flourishes. And also the edges are going to be softened of the design. Is a really tucked up in here. I will obviously, bring the virus down and have more spacing for and just like how we can add beauty to a world that feels harsh sometimes. Before we jump into the flourishes, let's talk placement. Flourishes should feel natural. Flourishes, gee, goodness. Like they belong with the letters. The trick is finding where they enhance the design without overcrowding the message. Just like with the message, "Hate is a virus," we want to maintain balance, showing both the weight of the message and the elegance of the form. And here I am focusing, starting out focusing on the letter H, which would be focus on the ascenders and the descenders, like the H, V, and the S. They offer great spots for flourishes. These are spots where the design can breathe, just like much how we can rise above negativity. As you see here, I started with the letter H. I was going to add a simple, elegant flourish to its top. Remember, a flourish is not a decoration. It's just a way of softening the intensity of the word hate. I got a little flourish here. Try this connection here with the H and the E, but it's not. This is feeling a little overcrowded here. That's gonna happen, but now that we have added a flourish to the H, we've got to focus on keeping the rest of the composition balanced. Now let's add a flourish to the bottom of the letter S in virus. Just like with the overall design, we want to focus on fluidity as we move through the piece. So therefore, focusing on the fluidity in the visual aspect of the piece, we don't get lost in that without the message remaining as strong as it is. And I'm going to do another quick sketch and we'll see what happens. So I decided I'm not going to do another sketch. I'm going to focus on finishing this one through for you all. I'm just going to mirror the movement here from the first flourish on the H with the V here. And it's really almost as if it's going to create a protective space around the letters. and symbolizing the idea that love and beauty can shield us from hate. Right. As you see here, we've got our flourishes, like our pieces that we created, flourishes in place on all of them. What I really tend to focus on after doing a multitude of sketches with flourishes, and I really focus on just seeing like which one out of all the pieces that really stands out to me and that I can see more opportunity with. This one is not speaking to me, and this not making the design pop, and this one not too bad. I'm really feeling this one, just the overall direction it's heading, and I know I could really make this one pop and stand out to me. And with a sketch like this, I will not focus so much on the upstrokes and the downstrokes and knowing which is going to be light and thick. I just going to let the overall thickness and the lightness happen naturally, because once this is digital, because I'm going to take it into Procreate, that will be an even more natural occurrence. And here's the final result. I am liking this flourish here, because it will be having some adjustments made to it. And I like how I have the eye here. So I think that flows good. And then probably bring that to about there. And this flourish off of the V. And the flourish here. Yeah, it's just, you see so much opportunity, and it's just lovely. Started off with one, and on the third one we got it. The quote, "Hate is a virus," in this way it stands strong, and it's also surrounded by flourishes that bring elegance and beauty to the message. This is the power of art. It can transform even the harshest messages into something that inspires thought and reflection. And as we close out the video, I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you'd like to see next, whether it's more calligraphy techniques or other ways to combine art and meaning. Until next time, stay inspired, stay creative. Peace and love. Subscribe for more calligraphy tips. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok. Check out my website, joseanddooley.com. All the information is in the description box below. Peace.